Welcome to Redline Review. If you think every vacation, no matter how long, should be wonderful, the bold 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines personalized luxury living with true Italian performance. The first actual supercar motorhome, it combines Ferrari's racing heritage with luxury and cutting-edge technology. Performance and exterior design of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is unique. Ferrari Formula 1 influenced the lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum alloy bodywork. Its performance DNA includes an active rear diffuser and aerodynamic channels that improve airflow and stability. The dramatic, wide grille features the Prancing Horse, LED headlights, and distinctive air intakes. Replace mirrors with retractable side cameras for a sleeker look and less drag. Ferrari's flagship hypercar chassis' hybrid V12 powertrain powers it. It establishes a class record by getting the motorhome to highway speeds in under 5 seconds with over 900 horsepower. Rear-wheel steering and variable magnetorheological dampers provide accurate performance on mountain passes and coasts. Details interior design Ferrari's opulence and racing passion permeate the campervan. The driver-focused dashboard incorporates a digital instrument cluster and Ferrari SF90 Stradale-inspired carbon fiber embellishments. Flat-bottom steering wheels and integrated controls make all operations accessible. Alcantara inlays, exposed carbon, and Italian leather decorate the living room. Hand-finished to perfection, each surface blends modern beauty with motorsport flair. Lounge features 2 sport chairs with motorized recliners that convert to queen beds. JBL Ferrari-designed 55-inch OLED panel with surround sound, Ferrari red ambient lighting. Lovely views and natural light from a panoramic roof. Gourmet dining and kitchen. The design kitchen has everything you need to host stylishly. A flush-mounted induction cooktop with built-in espresso and convection oven. Large wine cooler, touch-controlled smart fridge. Carbon fiber cabinets with soft close drawers. A sleek 4-person dining area may become an office or lounge. Personal suite, bath, a spa-like bathroom with ambient lighting, a rainfall shower, and a Bluetooth speaker. Heated marble flooring, designer fixtures, and backlit vanity mirror. Water closet alone. Private back sleeping suite has king-size memory foam bed with Ferrari embroidered linens. Personalized closet cabinets, reading lights, and USB-C ports. Tech and networking innovation is everywhere, including the center 17-inch touchscreen controller, voice-activated lighting, entertainment, and climate Wi-Fi hotspot, and 5G broadband multiple USB hubs and wireless charging pads. Safety assistance for drivers, Ferrari Motorhome features, adjustable stop-and-go cruising, assistance with lane centering, augmented 360-degree cameras, automobile emergency brake, blind spot, and cross-traffic alerts. In brief, Ferrari's performance in a penthouse suite, elegance combined in the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. From the Riviera to the Highlands, every mile is a show of speed, grace, and Italian genius.